Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we are in Scalea in Parco San Domenico, which is right overlooking the sea. And we've got this really cute apartment for you guys. I think you're gonna love it. Take a look. This came into the unit. Of course, all the patio furniture and whatnot is inside because it was closed up for the winter. But look at this pretty kitchen soggiorno area. Now this over here is actually a wall treatment and it's very pretty. I love how it just sort of frames that picture up there. And it really kind of adds to the space. What a pretty kitchen. In case you haven't figured it out, I'm absolutely a slave to these checkerboard tiles. I love checkerboard tiles for some reason. Maybe I was back in Paris in my last life or something because I just love that. Let's go outside. Okay, out here you have a nice little outdoor kitchen. I believe that might be a barbecue there or burners or something like that. I'm not going to take the rock off because obviously they want to keep that there, but here's your view, guys. This is our beautiful Tyrrhenian Sea, and it's overlooking from here. You could actually see there's Scalea down there. That little point right there is Cirella, and that little island coming out is Cirella Island. So you can see they're starting to get the Lidos out and the umbrellas are coming out in Scalea on the beaches. And summer is coming. We're quite excited about that. It's been beautiful though, I have to say. It's been in the 60s and 70s. Really lovely. You don't need a jacket and you're not sweating your eyeballs off, and it's absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's come through and I'm going to show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. I really like this kitchen. Okay, and here is your master bedroom. They've got the same wall treatment, which I actually really like. Really nice. This is a big space, so you can see there's a large armadio here. It's quite wide. A large armadio, and you've got a good sized bed, and they actually have another single bed in here too. So it's really pretty big for a master bedroom. Here's your guest room. I have to say this bed looks really comfy. It's quite big too. I think it's bigger than a matrimonial bed because it just looks huge in this room. But this is a good sized room. You could put two singles in here. You could put a matrimonial. There's a little extra storage. You've got your ceiling fans, which are very nice. So it's a good option. Now this bathroom is very cute. Got your toilet and bidet there. Got a nice little shower there. Now, if you wanted to, again, we talked about the butt guns instead of the bidet. If you want more space in your bathroom area, you can take out the bidet and put what I call a butt gun. It's like a little portable bidet, and it attaches to the back of the toilet. It's a little hose, really, so you don't have to get up and move to the other, get up from the toilet and move to the bidet in order to take care of business down there. What you could do is you could take out that bidet, give yourself more space. I would do a smaller cabinet here. This one looks kind of big, and then perhaps you could even make a slightly bigger shower if you wanted to. Okay, so you have a really pretty unit here, all ready to move in. Has air conditioning up in the corner and a gorgeous terrace. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you soon.